bro, there's a YouTube channel with no face cam, no trending sounds, no viral moments, just a guy narrating fictional career stories into a mic, and it's quietly pulling 20 to 30,000 views per video like it's nothing. The channel is Master's POV, and honestly, once you see how this works, you're going to be low-key obsessed. The niche is second-person career roleplay, and it's actually genius. Every video just puts you in the driver's seat. You are a firefighter. You are a Roman soldier. You are a hostage negotiator. And it walks you through every single level, from being a complete nobody, all the way to the top. Now here's the part that actually made me stop scrolling. The money. This niche sits in the education and self-improvement space, which means RPMs between $8 and $15 per thousand views. We're talking $200 to $400 per upload on some videos. And because the whole thing is faceless, no camera, no studio, no expensive setup, the profit margin is actually insane. Like, the barrier to entry is basically zero. And the reason it keeps blowing up, YouTube's algorithm is literally built for this format. Each level is a new chapter, and viewers stay because they need to see how far they can rise. It's the same brain hack that keeps you on a game for 6 hours straight, just applied to YouTube. People don't just watch, they binge the whole thing without even realizing it. So if you've been looking for a YouTube niche that actually makes sense right now, this might be the one. Let me show you exactly how to build it from scratch.
It's a Tuesday morning. You make your coffee. You sit at your desk. You open your laptop. You have 14 unread emails. None of them are for you. Not like junk mail. Not newsletters. They're work emails. Your team, your projects, your department. And you're on none of them. You are CC'd on 2. CC, not 2. CC, you don't say anything. You assume it's an oversight. That's the first mistake. Assuming things are oversights. The meeting invite comes Thursday. Your name isn't on it. It's your project. You've run it for 2 years. You built the process from scratch. You trained the team. And your name is not on the invite. You email your manager. She replies 6 hours later. Sorry, meant to loop you in. You're welcome to join. Welcome to join. Your own meeting. You're welcome to join. You join. You sit on the call. Nobody acknowledges that you weren't originally invited. Nobody acts like anything is wrong. You start to wonder if you're the one who's wrong. That feeling, that specific, quiet, gaslit confusion, that's where it starts. Not with a confrontation, not with a warning. It starts with a missing name on an email thread. It starts so small you almost miss it.